Hey, what's up guys? So Amazfit Active 2 has just recently received a new software update. So if you go in settings and go in system, go in about, you will see this new software version 6.0.8.4. And the important thing about this update is that it has enabled a fantastic new feature on this watch, which is that now you can download music on the watch and listen to it offline. You don't even need your phone for this. And if you want to know everything about this new update, keep watching till the end because I will share a fantastic new feature that is tucked inside this update as well. So let's get started. Now, after you have updated your watch to this latest software version, you can go in the app drawer and here you will find the music app. Go in here and now you can swipe up to see your playlists. So you can go in here and you can see all your music, all your favorites, and even your running music is here. And if you go in all music, you will see that there is one song already installed on the watch. So the question is, how do you download more music, more MP3 files onto the watch? And for that, you have to go into the Zap app on your phone. Now on your phone, in the Zap app, go in device and here go in device application settings. You will see this option music. Go in here and here you have the option to upload music to the watch. Just tap on it and it will open up all the MP3 files on your phone. From here you can select any MP3 file that is available on your phone. Let's say we'll select this one and upload it to your watch, and then it will just transfer it, and you can see the transfer happening on the phone and it will tell you transferring songs on the watch. So you'll just have to wait for it to happen, and then I'll show you another fantastic feature of this update. So now the transfer has happened and we will go back into the music app and we'll swipe up, go in my playlists, go in all music, and you will see this new song that we have just downloaded on the watch. And from here you can play it and it will play on the watch through the watch speakers. You can then obviously pause it, play it. You can increase or decrease the volume. You can set it on repeat if you want, and then you can add it to your favorites or to your running music. But something important that I want to show you here is that if you swipe up, you can then connect a Bluetooth audio to your watch as well. So this is where these Bluetooth headphones come in. So you can go in here, go in headphone, and here you can see that I already have my Sony headphones connected to it, but you can connect any other headphone, any other Bluetooth headphone to it, and you can also select auto reconnect from here. But then all you have to do is connect it, and let's turn this on. And we'll try connecting again, and there you go, it is now connected to my Bluetooth headphones and the music is now streaming on the headphones. And so in this way you can just take your watch with you. If you're going on running, you can load up music on your watch, take your headphones with you and have fun. But wait, there is a very important thing that you need to know about this feature. This feature is limited by the storage that is available on the watch. Now, when you are downloading watch faces on the watch and you're downloading apps on the watch from the Zap app, all of it is taking a lot of storage on the watch, and the storage on the watch is pretty limited. And that is one of the biggest downsides of this watch. So just today when I was updating the watch with this new update, I had to delete all the downloaded apps on the watch to have enough storage on the watch to download this new update. So it is pretty limited. So make sure that you only download your favorite music on it and enjoy it. Another thing that I wanted to show you here is that if you are playing music on the watch, you can go back to your home screen and you will see this icon at the top which tells you that you have music running in the background, and then you can access your music very quickly by just tapping on this icon and it will take you straight to the music app, which is a great implementation of software. I really like that. So that's about it from this video, guys. I hope you have liked this one and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.